Hello everyone and welcome back to Quick English. My name is Nick.
And I am Kat. We are excited to see you here again. Thank you for learning with us. On Quick English, we use only simple English, easy words, slow and clear speaking. This helps you understand and speak better step by step.
Today we have a new interesting topic. We will talk about weather, emotions, helping others, and learning tips. This is another long and useful conversation. Let's enjoy it together.
First, weather. Weather changes every day and it affects our mood. Nick, what is the weather like today in your place?
Today it is sunny and warm. I feel happy when the sun shines. I can go outside and play. But sometimes it rains. Rain makes everything wet, but the air becomes fresh.
I like cloudy weather. It is not too hot and not too cold. In rainy weather, I stay inside, drink hot tea, and read books. In windy weather, I fly kites with friends. Weather makes life interesting.
We learn many weather words: sunny, rainy, cloudy, windy, stormy, snowy, foggy, hot, cold, humid. You can describe the weather every day to practice English.
Now, emotions. Emotions are feelings like happy, sad, angry, excited, scared, surprised, and calm.
When I get good marks in school, I feel happy and proud. When I lose my favorite toy, I feel sad. When someone helps me, I feel thankful. It is normal to have different emotions.
Yes, I feel excited before festivals. I feel nervous before exams. I feel calm when I sit near the river. We should share our feelings with family and friends. Talking about emotions is good.
Emotions make stories in movies and books more interesting. When we learn English, we can say, "I feel happy today," or "I'm a little nervous." This is useful.
Next, helping others. Helping is a wonderful thing.
I help my mother in the kitchen. I help my sister with homework. I help old people cross the road. Small help brings big smiles. Helping makes us feel good inside.
Yes, we can help friends when they are sad. We can help clean our school or neighborhood. Helping others is a good habit. It makes the world better.
Teachers help students. Doctors help patients. Everyone can help in their own way.
Now, learning tips. Many of you want to improve English. Here are some simple tips.
First, listen every day. Watch easy English videos like ours. Second, speak even if you make mistakes. Third, read simple stories. Fourth, write short sentences in a notebook. Fifth, practice with friends or family.
Another tip is to label things in your house with English words. For example, write door, window, table. Repeat the words many times. Use new words in sentences.
Don't worry about perfect English. Progress is more important than perfection. Celebrate small improvements. Be patient with yourself.
Connect all topics. Weather affects our emotions. When we feel good, we can help others more. Good learning tips help us in every season and situation.
Now, practice time. Repeat these sentences after us slowly.
Today, the weather is sunny and I feel happy.
I feel excited when I meet my friends.
Helping others makes me feel good.
I practice English every day.
I am thankful for my family.
Small daily practice brings big success.
Very good. You are improving a lot. Keep repeating these sentences.
Friends, learning English is a journey full of different emotions and weather. Stay consistent. Help others and ask for help when needed.
We make these long videos so you get enough time to listen and absorb natural English.
Please support Quick English. Like this video, subscribe, turn on the bell, share with your friends.
Tell us in the comments, what is the weather like today? How do you feel right now? What do you do to help others? What is your best learning tip?
We read your comments and make new episodes based on them.
Thank you for watching this long video until the end. You are amazing.
Keep practicing, stay positive, and enjoy every day.
See you in the next big episode. Bye-bye.
Bye, everyone.